Yeah, but we're not gonna get it now since we're actually eating.
Nana, I hear the ice cream truck.
Since we're actually eating ice cream, we're gonna wait until he comes by the next time. We're not gonna buy it this time.
You mean the next day?
No, later today. He'll come by.
Go by.
Rosie.
I hear your ice cream.
Turner. Turner.
Hey, I hear the ice cream truck.
We'll get the ice cream truck man later this afternoon after you've had a nap. He'll come back again and we'll get him. Turner, are you finished? You're not? Okay, but I won't get you too clean yet. It does melt a little fast. Ooh. Now are you finished? Okay. Ooh, ooh.